Hey guys, I'm going to keep this really short. This is just going to be a little bit of a tutorial for your Adobe Sparks that you're going to be making for your country project, okay? So whatever you've been doing all your research on, whichever country it is, that's what you're doing this Adobe Spark over. For those of you who have done Adobe Sparks for your country profiles, this is going to look exactly the same, okay? Exactly. All right, so this will be where it's at on Classroom. Okay, and here you will see, if you click on this link, that is my example, right, that I've given you in the past. And you will follow that example pretty much exactly, okay? A very similar format um, when you go and create yours, okay? So I included that link on there. Um, all right, the other link I included, the one I just clicked on, is going to be like a login to get to Adobe Spark. Okay, and so once you get there, it will probably make you log in with your Google account, all of those things. It should take you to this page, and be sure that you are doing a slideshow. Okay, you are doing a slideshow. That is the kind of Adobe Spark that you are, if you are making. So if we just, that was your country. Um, and we'll just say start from scratch. That's fine. And then, we wait for a second here. Um, and it'll make it pretty easy. And again, you will just follow my kind of my template. So watch that. There is not a length requirement. I would guess they'll be anywhere from a minute and 30 seconds to like 3 minutes long. It just kind of depends um, for each person. Okay. So once you finish it, then you will attach the link to the classroom assignment that I will post, and I will add this video on there. And that's due April 15th, Wednesday, April 15th. Okay. It'll eventually go on your website, but just don't worry about that for now. Just get the Adobe Spark done. Um, and so this is just kind of how to do it. Okay, so here that loaded. And it'll give you kind of even more so of a tutorial of things like how to do this and whatever. I'm not going to go through that with you. Okay. Um, okay. It will show you, it'll give you more of a tutorial. Go through that. It's super user friendly. You shouldn't really have an issue. I just wanted to clarify and touch base on how to do that. Okay. So two things to remember. It is um, you are doing a slideshow. Okay, make sure you do a slideshow when you get into Adobe Spark, and watch my example to know how to do it and what all the requirements are on that Adobe Spark. So that's where you'll find those requirements. Okay, can't wait to see them.